Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In our previous video, we have generated the topology and parameterization of peptide protein complex using Charmm-GUI. Today, we will go to the next step in which we will perform protein-peptide MD simulation in Gromacs. In this tutorial, we will guide you that how you can choose the Gromacs input file for the MD simulation in Gromacs software. The installation and setup of Gromacs has been explained in our previous video. I have provided the link in video description. You can simply go to that link and can install the Gromacs if you don't have one. Today we will not explain the installation in detail, but we will directly go to the MD simulation step. So let's start. This is our folder which was generated by the Charmm-GUI. Open this folder. In this folder, you can find the Gromacs folder. Copy this folder and place it into the desktop. This Gromacs folder contains multiple files. This contains minimization file, this contains equilibration file, and this contains production file. Let me explain each file one by one. First of all, open this minimization step in any notepad. You can right click it, one can edit with Notepad, or you can use the Notepad++. Notepad++ is an easy tool which can be used to edit the text file. This is the first file which contains the minimization step. First of all, the complex which has been generated need to be minimized. If you don't minimize, let's have a brief look on this script. First of all, this is integrator. Integrator is step which tells that steepest descent minimization algorithm. It uses the steepest algorithm. Then second is emtol. Emtol is basically the stopping criteria. When it's reached to the 1000 kilojoule per mole energy, the system will drop. Then ns step, these are nanosecond step. These are the maximum 5000 steps we have assigned. Then these are basic parameters like ns list step, which are 10, cutoff value is violet, and the R list is set to 1.5, 1.2, van der Waals forces and other forces, which are step with the particle mesh evolved, which type the PME for long range electrostatic reactions, and standard force switch cutoff of 1.2 and van der Waals interactions. So these are the basics for the minimization step. So the main thing is these 2 points. When the energy crosses the 1000 kilojoule per mole, the reaction will drop, and the number of steps we are going to perform is 5000. If you are going to enhance your MD simulation to the higher value like 200 nanosecond, 500 nanosecond, you can increase this number. Now the question is why we need energy minimization. The idea is that when you dock a peptide or build a solvent complex with the protein, atoms are often placed too close together. This creates massive repulsive forces. If you run MD immediately without minimization, your system will literally explode, and energy minimization gently lets these static clashes and make the system relax so that MD simulation can run smoothly. So now we move toward the minimization step. First of all, go to your Ubuntu, open your Ubuntu terminal, and the other thing we need to open this Gromacs software in the Ubuntu terminal. For this, open this folder, copy this path, and come to any Word document like this one, and you need to modify the path like cd space / mnt / small c, remove the capital C and colon, remove all / and replace with / remove all / and replace with the all /. So this is your path. Now copy this path, go to your Ubuntu terminal and paste this and press enter. Now you are in the working folder. Type ls, you can see all the files are present here. The next thing, we need to activate the Gromacs environment. For activation of Gromacs environments, you need to source Gromacs environments which we created in our installation steps, which was explained in Gromacs tutorial part 1. The link is provided in the video description section. You need to simply copy this command and go to the environment and press enter. Or there is also a second option. If you have installed Gromacs using Conda environment, you can run this command. The concept is simply you need to activate your environment. In our lecture, we use this resource, the Gromacs environment, and then activate it. Sometimes we use Conda environment. When your environment is activated, you can see Gromacs environment is present here. Once the environment is activated, we need to run the minimization step. This is our command for the minimization step. It means it will use the step 4 minimization.mdp file, and it will use as step 3 input.grow file, which was generated by the Charmm-GUI. Then it will use step 3 input as grow file. Then it will use the topology file to get the structural information, and then it will make an index file and it will produce the em.trp file. So what you need to do, you need to copy this complete command, go to Ubuntu terminal. After activating your environment, we need to copy it again and press enter, and it is done. When the command is completed, Gromacs always gives you a quotation. If the quotation appears, it means your command has been ran successfully. Once it's done, we need to run the energy minimization step. This will use gmx md run, and it will use em, and -v is verbose. It will give you the live progress of the command. So copy this command, go to Ubuntu terminal, paste this command. We need to copy it again. Copy this command, paste the command and press enter. So our first command has been initiated and it is running. Our energy minimization has been completed. Once our system is minimized, it is at temperature of absolute zero. We need to heat it up and bring it to a realistic pressure. This is called equilibration, and so we use molecular dynamics. Let's have a look at the equilibration.mdp. Open this one. This is also contains some coding. I will only explain the main points. These are basically the time steps. Time step part point 001. We choose a conservative time step to keep the system stable during heating. And then this is very important thing, which is NS steps. These are basically the steps on which we are going to perform the equilibration. Right now it is 125,000, which means it is approximately 1.5 nanosecond. If you are going to 125 picoseconds. If you are going to run the MD simulation at 100 nanosecond or higher, you can run it from 2 nanosecond to 5 nanosecond. So you can increase this number. Now again, these are some basic things which are NST log, cutoff schemes, RS list, etc. etc. The other important thing is T-couple. In T-couple, thermocouple, we use the rescale. It uses the velocity rescale thermostat to couple our solute and solvent separately to our target temperature of 303 Kelvin. TC grips are placed as solution and solvent. These are our reference temperature in Kelvin. We have placed Gen well as yes, because since we are starting from a static minimized structure, so we generate random initial velocity matching Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution to our target temperature, which is 303.15 Kelvin. We also keep our strong restraint on our peptide protein backbone and side chain This ensures that the solvent equilibrates around the complex without the peptide moving away permanently from the protein. So we need that the protein and peptide remain in a close contact. So this is basic information. The most important thing is this one. You can decrease and increase this step according to your need. Once it understand, now go to our next command. This is our command for generation of equilibration step. It will use gmx Gromacs command. It will use the result from step 4 equilibration.mdp file. It will use em.grow, and it also use these three files as it used before. These files uses its topology, uses its structure parameter and parameterization, and it will produce the output file as eq.tpr. So simply copy this complete command, go to Ubuntu terminal, paste this command and press enter. Parameters are set now. Now we are going to execute this command. This is the running command for the equilibration. Copy this command, go to terminal, paste the command and press enter. Depending upon the speed of your computer, it may take some time. As we have used the verbose command, it is giving us the remaining time. It telling me about it will take about approximately 2 hours to complete this minimization step. Normally these steps are done on GPU. For the demo purpose, I am only showing you on the CPU so that you can have an idea. But these commands are specifically designed to run on the GPUs. Our minimization step has been completed. Now we will move to the next step. Our next step is basically the actual production step. Now let's have a look on production.mdp file. This is our main input file. In this MDP file, we have managed the time at 0.002, which has been increased from 0.001 to 0.002 because all hydrogen bonds are constrained using the Linux algorithm in previous step, so we can safely increase our time steps. Most of the parameters are remained as the same: cutoff value, parameter, withdrawal energy, decouple is also V rescale, and TC grips are solvent and solution, and constraint are hydrogen bond, and links and continuation is yes. It means we do not generate new random velocity here. We read the velocity directly from our previous equilibration run to maintain the continuity. Here is one new thing, which is P couple. We use the C rescale, which means we now turn on pressure coupling to maintain the stable pressure. And above all, one of the most important thing is this nano step. It has been organized as 500,000. If it is 500,000, it is multiplied by 2, it will become 100,000. 100,000 is equal to 1 nanosecond. So you can increase or decrease the number to get your desirable value. Which means if you increase the 10, it will reach to the 10 nanosecond. If you increase 20, it will reach to the 100 nanosecond. For demo purpose, I am going to run it for 10 nanosecond so that we can get the responsible readable result for the next analysis. So if you want to change it, simply click on the Ctrl S or go to the file and save the file and close it. Now again, this is the production run. This is the same one. The only change is this one. We are going to use step 5 production.mdpi. Rest of the 3 files are the same. We are using the em.grow file and it will produce md.tpr file. Copy this command, go to Ubuntu terminal, paste the command and press enter. Now the job is completed. Now we are going to run the production. This is command for running the production on CPU. Simply copy this command, go to your Ubuntu terminal, paste the command and press enter. Your real MD production is now started. It is showing that it will complete the 100 picoseconds. 100 picosecond is equal to 1 nanosecond. As I told you earlier, if you change the this production file. Here if you increase the 1 0, it will convert it into 10 nanosecond. If you increase one more 0, it will convert it into 100 nanoseconds. So you can control your nanosecond by changing this command. When the job will complete, it will give you the quotation sign. Gromacs remind you, it means your job has been successfully completed. Our job is completed. It's giving you the efficiency of your laptop. Right now it's saying that it can complete 3.4 nanosecond in a day. When the job is completed, you will have md.trp, tpr, md.xtc and md.grow in your folder. In your folder, you can simply type md and you can see these are md.xtc, md.tpr, md.grow. These all files are available. So this is all about today, that how you can run one by one, command by command, your MD simulation from the Charmm-GUI input. In our next tutorial, we will explain that how you can perform analysis on these XTC trajectory which Gromacs has produced. We will explain that how you can calculate the RMSD of peptide, RMSD of protein, RMSF, radius of gyration, solvent accessible surface area and hydrogen bond contents. So we will cover all these analysis in our next video. In the next video, we will use these output which we have created today. This output will be used in the next video. So save this file and stay tuned to our channel. Please like and subscribe. If you have any question, please ask in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.